Assalamu alaikum dear student. I hope you all are fine and doing great. So today I'm gonna teach you about biotic components of ecosystem. So what is meant by biotic? Biotic means living. So all the living components are biotic components of ecosystem. So there are three biotic components: producers, consumers, and decomposers. So one by one हम इन सब की detail देखते हैं. So let's start from producers. So what are producers? Producers are plants that make their own food, ठीक है, and they don't depend on other thing, ठीक है. They get energy from a sunlight and to prepare their food, ठीक है. और इसमें producers में सारे plants ही आते हैं, ठीक है. Next component is consumer. So what are consumer? Consumer are those animals that can't make their own food. They depend on producers and get food from producers, ठीक है. On the basis of food, consumers are divided into three groups: herbivores, omnivores, and carnivores. So first is herbivores. So what are herbivores? Herbivores are those animals that only eats plant, ठीक है, called herbivores, ठीक है, जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ plants खाएंगे. For example, goats, sheep, giraffes, rabbits, etc. all are herbivores. Next is carnivores. So carnivores only eat meat of other animals, ठीक है, जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ गोश्त खाते हैं animals के, and they don't eat plants, ठीक है. For example, lion, cats, sharks, frogs, etc. are all these animals are carnivores. Next one is omnivores. So what are omnivores? Omnivores are those animals that eat both plants as well as animals like human being. So we eat both vegetables as well as meat. हम meat भी खाते हैं और vegetables भी खाते हैं. So we are omnivores. So other than human, bear, gorillas, eagles are also omnivores. Next is the last component of this of ecosystem is decomposer, ठीक है. So what are decomposers? Decomposers are the microorganism that decomposed all the dead organic matter, ठीक है, into the soil. उसको जो है mixed up कर देते हैं soil के अंदर. And decomposers only feed on dead organic matter like plants और animals, ठीक है. वो सिर्फ यही खाते हैं, इन्हीं के ऊपर उनकी जितना भी फूड होता है वो इनसे लेते हैं, ठीक है. डेड एनिमल्स और प्लांट्स में आपने देखा होगा कि समटाइम कोई एनिमल या प्लांट जो है वो मर जाता है तो थोड़े दिनों बाद वो ज़मीन के ऊपर नहीं रहता, बिकॉज द बैक्टीरिया एंड फंजाई, बोथ दीज ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, ये उनको खा लेते हैं एंड देन मिक्सड अप कर देते हैं उसको सॉइल के अंदर. एंड देन सॉइल टेक्स न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम दीज एनिमल्स, ठीक है, दीज डेड एनिमल्स. Okay, so for example, microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi are the decomposers. So this is all about the biotic components of ecosystem. I hope you understand very well. Thank you.